Evangelist Mama Pat says see adwaman no sebe edidi prophet Ogyaba nintimu wose se wusua na se wo be fa nyame na se wontimi anje adwaman anto na se nyame adwuma nyame ahenni enim still na adwaman no ekoso dia eno de na kwaye se disease bi na te se didi umoje nimo afomoje nimo a ye ho hwea eyinti Evangelist Mama Pat osusu e kan the pain say asono so ye prophetess say adwaman ne de prophet Ogyaba enya de obetimi agai da boa no be bo adwaman na osanso eye disgrace pa lady na sebe wo do ho nso mo Ogyaba na sese wa beta bonten kan wo one ne hyase no wo be ka tro bi ana adwaman eduabo pa no Mama Pat e de agu prophet Ogyaba so mi ntie ne mbra
Ayana metia or see good English me that say momo love no so Ayana metia oh or say mama indeed you are a woman of God, you are always speak the truth. What must say or so for na one one yire na one na yire na tse no wo ba na ntimi ahu say or ye sofo wa hu so one na yire na tse wa hu so one na yire abobra one na yire wo. The moment I will be so for the money na chemprano, because I have listened to some of the interviews that the woman is doing. What say abra wo call so funny fie no. Eye Ogyaba man e de ne kotene ni fie baako. Ogyaba e de ne kotene ni fie baako. Hello. Hello. Yes. Yes. Oh. Ogyaba de ne kotena ni fie baako ewa bra wo ba no sudim se Ogyaba eye man, the great man of God in this country. Momo love no so me buafu rough. Momo love no so osofu anyame nipa anyame magu ni nan aseye a wo chire nyame masane be ya da cho mo be ko heaven no wo ba besietimi akali confident, courage, boldly. Sa sofo na wo yere no sa sofo na wo pe ama sofo no so de na kwotena sofo ne de na kwotena ne fie o se agra tse brofo pao sofo ne de na kwotena ne fie oba na ntimi ama bonte ameka nkire Ghana fo se sofo Ogyaba wo yere body knows Ogyaba did not remember what 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 1 ekayen 1 kai chapter 5 verse 1 ekayen 1 kai eno nya ni mu kwan inveli ni mu or inveri ni mu ja ni mu ade ma wo ba no opon so wo yiri no he forgot say o yire ade ne mpena ekotena ne order efie foforo no do ba ne kotena mu nenanu amaso gumano na mabom adwaman di fia kanyame oba besiatimi ene sofo atwempena agada confident aka aye bold akotena sofo ni fie etimi ba asori demo sofo na asori demo trying to do something for sofo mami to know say ope sofo mami asem meanwhile no so no na wo di ni kunu. She was having an affair with Osofumami's husband. Ogada confident. One ferret. One ma TikTok. I may news. I can't be a say. And a minister of Ogyaba Chimbra until you got pregnant. And a poor counseling. Now you are coming out to voice out. Now you are coming out to tell us. What did you want us to do, mommy? Was it he is saying he is a human, not a chalk or a block or whatever. Me Abraham ko Bible mo boy Adwaman no yes oba no boy Adwaman be ma no ni boy Adwaman no owan oba no boy Adwaman no be ma no ni boy Adwaman no owan mame wa bring nyame papa yet and go and sit somewhere make catch now e man nya de never be happy say e ya de say when you Ogyaba hwe ho woni na da And on your own statement, when you someone walk on, whistle baby or do what's nine, he even I want you must have me coaty because I was not there. I'm just me who I want to must have my watch. Tiano Muntie and no one be Muntie.
I say if you want a seminar or cassette, and on maybe your wedding, I'm saying yes. And I'm near me wedding pictures a Sunday, no. It's made wedding pictures and a Sunday, no, say, no, more feel when all Casabe baby or bar, more feel, did move say, or Casabe brave. And I'm sure, Mate. It's me, I don't know what I am. My worry that and I may judge that 2018, and that's it. And see, me delete videos, no. Me delete wedding picture.
Bola vonoso.
No, see, I didn't make delete. Now, she was said, wedding picture say, I did be a main percent, make I, oh, my bravo, or request and Tina, media mano. And yes, how did you people meet? That time, no crime, and I am called out here. That time, the beginning, no shit.
Or Babesia wa ko asoli fie, kosum nyame. Na wa nse sofo no wo jire na yere te ho. Wo motifa wo de ko ya ne se wo kosodi sofo no. What me asodi sofo no. When ya sofo ni mu kwan because sofo no wa ya sofo dwamanfo. I want in the Bible I say. Sofo bia ni wa wuni mu the scripture and the Bible. I will babeba soli fie obesedi usu. I will betom. Debi ameka cham say every character I would when you come to Christ you have to work on your character. So for be a want to me answer no so obeboy dwaman any wo bada amana beda monteno automatically when you dwamanfo, and when it comes to a dwaman one that person will never, they can't stop it. Also those whom you have there next to a boyfriend, your pastor for a year. What's me and your kukuduro? Any software, sorry them now we hear video, now we hear snap. I sorry them in front of the congregation. I want to hear it now one more ya sorry, no one more preachy. Now when you software chim penna. Now software so the work what's not fear for fro. Now the year so to the fear for fro. And now we are wearing an idea and I want you. I saw for the Susu won't go you, so whatever else won't go, you know. So now you get the confidence to come out and tell us. At the end, what do you want us to do, mommy? What do you want us? Because first of all, it's me and things I when you know. By sikanibre, because of money, you are desperate because of money. Why your wedding, where jai, and the one was so Ogyaba was sika. It's go. Who ko pabiedi ampa no wo koye no wo sosidi ye when you sikani biedi am fia wo si ye wo de wakotena fie ni mu na wo de watena fie ni mu no de kwala e ba ho. Can't you see say the cheap way that you cheap yourself for him to get you and make you the fornication, you know. Our Bible kind, you know, was to run from fornication. You couldn't run from the fornication. You have go enter the pulpit and have sexual intercourse with the pastor. And now when you
yeah, sure, send your mama party can the cray. Let's say do comment, but was say Prophet Ogyaba drama na own team jai. Hey, the same na meko Prophet Evangelist mama part and I can say Prophet Ogyaba. Near wash as this war rim may wo be weird to see a year Nyankopon bebu aten ebu omu nyina aten. Ekwe ntwa na mbeso makra.